In this drone-powered journey, we explore the top 5 most beautiful lakes in Europe, not just for their stunning views, but for the unique character and experience they offer from above. Lake Bled ranks as Europe's most beautiful lake, and for good reason. Nestled in the Julian Alps, its emerald waters cradle a storybook island at the center, home to the picturesque Assumption of Maria Church. Seen from the sky, the symmetry of the lake and island is simply mesmerizing. The surrounding town of Bled embraces the shoreline, with forested slopes and the Bled Castle standing guard from atop a steep cliff. Public boats ferry visitors across the calm water, preserving centuries-old tradition. With its serene setting, fairytale ambience, and iconic landmarks, Lake Bled is a dream for drone creators and travelers alike. In second place is Lake Como, a destination where luxury and dramatic scenery collide. Carved between steep alpine ridges, the lake's deep blue expanse is a visual masterpiece. From the air, its Y-shaped arms stretch gracefully through mountain valleys, revealing sleek yachts, charming villages, and grand villas. Key landmarks like the Monumento ai Caduti, and the majestic Catedral di Santa Maria Assunta in Como town enrich the shoreline's architectural appeal. The lake's coastal fountain adds a dynamic centerpiece to drone shots. Combining cultural elegance with raw natural beauty, Lake Como is timeless and captivating. Claiming the third spot, Lago di Lugano offers a more secluded, soulful experience. Tucked between Switzerland and Italy, this alpine lake is framed by towering cliffs and quiet villages that reflect beautifully in its glassy waters. From above, viewers can spot diving decks, cozy harbors, and boats gliding across the tranquil surface. Lugano's mix of rugged scenery and cultural charm makes it feel like a hidden escape. Especially during sunrise or sunset, drone footage here captures a calm, golden glow that turns every flight into a cinematic scene. At number 4 is Lake Saimaa, a vast, serene lake in southeastern Finland, celebrated for its peaceful wilderness and sheer scale. Seen from the air, Saimaa looks like a maze of thousands of islands, dense forests, and winding waterways. Near the town of Savonlinna, the medieval Olavinlinna castle stands proudly on its own island, offering a rare historical focal point in such a natural setting. Cruises and private boats explore the region's hidden corners and traditional lakeside saunas. Saimaa's remote beauty and untouched landscapes make it a sanctuary for those seeking solitude, stillness, and northern magic. Rounding out the list is Lake Geneva, a vast alpine lake shared by Switzerland and France. The city of Geneva sits at its western edge, where the iconic Jet d'eau fountain shoots 140 meters into the sky, a spectacular centerpiece seen best from above. The lake's calm waters host luxury cruises and frame panoramic views of the distant Alps. Further east, the lake flows past Lausanne, where vineyard-covered hillsides and cultural landmarks meet the shore. With its balance of urban energy and natural splendor, Lake Geneva offers one of Europe's most dynamic lakefront experiences. Each of these lakes has its own charm, from the fairy tale setting of Bled to the alpine elegance of Geneva. Seen from the sky, their beauty becomes even more extraordinary. Write in the comments, which one is your favorite lake?